Hey guys, just got a upHere fan from Amazon. These are full RGB fans. I bought 5 of them, so let's unbox them. So here we see the tab open the box. Inside we get these 5 packets of screws. All seem to be exactly the same. And these are all for 5 different fans. So there's 5 of them, and looks like these are the stickers. These are for these are the pads for the fans to make it a little soundless, to reduce the vibrations. So there's also 5 of them, one for each fan. And here are the fans. These are for all colors, so they're not just white. And yeah, you can see here there are 6 pins. So I mean, my computer only has 4 pins, so I don't know how to do this, so I gotta do some research. Might still work though. So let's see. 2, 4, 5, 6, 5. And here is the controller. What's this? Oh, these are the that's interesting. So it seems like you plug in the 6 fans into this, and then these come out. This is the 6-pin to 4-pin converter, I guess. So that's very convenient. That makes sense. And looks like you just have one of these big power things. Maybe it's for so you don't have to plug in each one individually. You can just plug this whole thing into the power supply. That's very convenient. Let's open this up. Hold on 1 second. And so let's see. This is the remote. These are the colors, brightness, etc. This is the converter. So 6, 4. Seems to be a big hole or something. So it's 4, 6. Owner's manual in Chinese. So I'm sure everybody can read this. Elementary stuff. Oh, look, English. It's convenient. Let's see, this is a power thing converter. 4-pin to one of these big things. Oh, that's cool. Well, I guess that's it. These are all the stuff. Let's get refocused. Come on, camera. These are all the stuff that comes with this upHere RGB LED fan. So this is unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.